All right, today we are looking at the Jonard Tools VFL. This is actually model number 25, Jonard VFL-25 there. This is a VFL that is actually very, very powerful. We've used this for probably 6-7 years or so, and it's never really let us down. Everything's kind of internal, so it doesn't get broke. We've had some pieces where this little knob up top here, it just kind of has like a flip top on it, and that'll get broke off. But we haven't really had a whole lot of issues with this thing, so it's worked really well. It does come with 2 AA batteries, or AAA batteries, I should say. So that is nice because we just kind of keep one in the box. We actually have 2 of these, so we usually keep one in there. We got one, and then we usually have one over here. So we've used one already set, but usually you can put two AAA batteries there. That's what we keep that little spot in there for. Anyway, that's what the inside looks like. It's got the little information card on the inside. This is the LC connector here piece that you clip in. The only thing that I will say that I do not like about these is that this piece does not actually fit and snap in there at all. So when you take this off, there's the other end. When you take this off and you put this in here, that's all it is. It doesn't snap. I mean, it rolls around, you know. We haven't really had too much issues with it, but it'd just be nice like if that actually would snap in there, so that way if in case it got popped off or you have it hanging, it wouldn't come off, and then your fiber, your LC connector just goes right in there. But that's the only real kickback I have, or complaint about this that I have. There's an on switch back here on the right hand side. So you just click that, and then this little mode here, it's off right now, but you can flip that. Oh, there we go. So you got a solid red light laser, and then you got a flashing one. So usually what we do, if we're running multiple runs, or if we're troubleshooting and we think that one strand out of a fiber is bad, we'll actually run 2 of these guys and put them on the same path, and then we'll have one that's flashing and one that's not flashing. So I'll kind of just show you what this looks like here. If I can get that in there. So you can already kind of see it's kind of red behind there. You can kind of see it's a little bit red right there. And we'll put this other guy on. Get that off. Okay, so you can see we got one flashing and one solid. I'll put this on like that. So you can have 2, and then you can see very easily one's flashing and one's not. So that's how we use it. We just go from each building, or you know, your next IDF or whatever you got. And then if you got a break, I'll just show you what it looks like. This is old fiber, so you got it. And then if we snap it, see it starts to diminish until it goes out. So you can see where the air is right there. It's pretty easy to tell, but we use these all the time. I don't keep them in my bag, you know, every day. It's only when we go out and test fiber, but they are super, super handy to have. So if you do get these, I mean, you don't have to get these, you can get any VFL, but if you get them, get 2. I would recommend that. One's kind of handy just to have, but if you have 2, especially if you're running two strands, you know, in a campus type environment, it is nice to have, because we've had contractors that will pull in fiber, and it's supposed to be like, say, 1 of 2 out of 12. Well, they've flip-flopped them, and you might have 2 in 5, and we've found it very, very useful. So give them a shot. If you like this video, give it a like. Thank you. Bye.